Hello and welcome. For someone who don't know me, I am Dr. Tahir Yaqub. I have PhD in robotics from University of New South Wales, Australia. This is a collection of my lectures on control systems engineering. I have recorded these lectures with a video course in mind. These are not in a classroom settings. I use various formats to record these lectures. Some are talking heads, some are just screen captures. Control system engineering has many applications in mechatronics engineering, electrical and mechanical engineering, in robotics and in other fields of science. The topics which I have covered in this course, they fall under various subject names such as linear control systems, feedback control systems, classical control system, or simple control systems engineering. In this introductory video, I would like to answer two most important questions about this course. The first is whether this course covers all the important topics in control systems engineering, and the answer is probably not. Although I have tried to cover all the important topics in this course, but there could be a topic which is very important for you and missing in this course. So my intention was that as this course gets seasoned and students enroll in this course, I might get some feedback and will include some more videos in this course. I teach many subjects, but the subject which I love the most is control systems engineering because I did my PhD in this subject field and I'm very passionate about this. So I would like to engage with my students, get your feedback and improve my course. So I would encourage you to look at the titles of the lectures and see whether the topic which you are interested in has been included in the course or not before enrolling in the course. The second important question I would like to answer in this video is that are there any prerequisites for this course? And the answer is yes, there are. These are the 6 subject areas which you should know about before enrolling in this course. You must have some knowledge of these areas. These include differential equations, Laplace transform, partial fractions, Kirchhoff's laws, high school algebra, and matrices. So while developing this course, I realized that 3 of these topics are not very common in many subjects. So therefore, I decided to add a 30-minute video about Laplace transform. That will be a refresh course for you. And also a 15 to 20 minutes video about partial fractions, and I'm also thinking to add another video about differential equations. But if you don't know anything about high school algebra or matrices or simple laws of physics, then I am afraid that I will not be able to cover all those topics in this course. So you might get some course on those topics and then you enroll in this course. So these were the 2 important points about this course, and now I would encourage you to look at 2 important things before enrolling in this course. Number 1 is look at the titles of the lectures. So on all my video lectures, I have tried to put a very explanatory type of title so that you could see what is inside that video. And the second thing is there are some free preview videos available in this course. Watch those videos and see if you are happy with my teaching style before enrolling in this course. Because your money and your time is also valuable, so it is important that you look at these 2 things before enrolling in this course. So I hope that this short video will enable you to make a decision whether this course is suitable for you or not. Thanks for your time, and I will see you inside the course.